fuck me. Whew. That's slippery and dangerous. Holy fuck. Yeah, this is literally my biggest struggle of the winter living where I live, because I got ice and I'm living, and I live down a small hill, so climbing up the hill is pretty much impossible in the winter times. So this video, oh fuck, shit. This video will be quite interesting. Okay, so we're back with a new video, and today, after I fixed the idling problem, it idles a lot more better. It should be idling closer to 10, but it usually gets up when it gets warmer. So I've noticed that the car idles, well, doesn't start properly. Usually when you start the car, it's supposed to rise up quickly and then slowly go back down. However, it doesn't do it. I have to give gas to the car and keep it up a bit and then let it go so it can idle by itself. So I think maybe it doesn't have enough power going through the entire car, so it doesn't give out enough electricity until the car is running properly. So that's something I'll have to fix soon. But today, it's a very icy day, and I gotta try to get up to the top of this hill from my place and try to get to a party I'm supposed to go to today. So yeah, let's try and drive the car. Fucking hell. I managed it. Look at the ditch. I managed to climb up, but I'm not done. I still have this last part, but this should be a lot more easier. So let's try this out. So we're sliding, going sideways, Seems promising, going sideways. We need to keep up the speed, come on, you can do it. The last part, come on, yes! Fuck yeah! We did it, guys! Woo! Ah, fucking hell. We only fucking did it, man. Woo! Look! Whoa! About to slide here. Woo! We did it. The car's up, and I don't know if this is a good angle or not, but we'll be able to party tonight. Woo! Fuck yeah. Okay guys, so I've noticed that when the car is in idle, it doesn't get enough electricity because I have the lights on, and when I give gas, you see how there's suddenly more electricity? So yeah, I think the problem is that I don't have enough electricity, enough power. So that's something I'll have to fix. Okay, so we're back, and yeah, this is the cold start valve that was not working properly. And I was thinking that, fuck, now I have to spend 2,000 crowns, which is basically 200 euros, dollars or something like that, to buy a new one. Just to discover that it wasn't plugged. It was just simply not plugged in. Somehow the plug is kind of broken, so I guess it gets loose quite easily. So all this time I've been struggling to start the car only because this shit wasn't attached properly. So yeah, let's quickly just fix it. Problem is I'm not certain which way. Okay, it goes like this. That's in now, and now I should be able to start the car without any problem. So let's try that. So there you have my gauges. It starts right away. Fucking hell, that was the problem. Simple fix. The idle is still, when the car is cold, the idle isn't ideal. But that's fine because it's not struggling much, and once it gets hot, it gets closer to the 10, and once at the 10, but then it's okay. So yeah, that was a whole lot. That's cool to see that that was the only problem with it. That's fun. Yeah. Okay, so I forgot to finish up the video. I'm editing it now. I'm tired. Been doing a lot. So I'm just gonna end up the video here. Hope you guys enjoy. Please check out this previous video right here. Please do it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. Just kidding. Nobody cares about that bell. Bye.